Moving on, our next presenter is TAMI's product manager, Jason Liu, who will talk about new strategies to further enhance Taiwan manufacturers' cooperation with ASEAN metalworking and machine tools industry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jason from TAMI. First of all, I would like to represent TAMI to welcome all of you to join this webinar. It is our pleasure to have you here. Thank you. Today, my topic is new strategies to enhance cooperation with ASEAN. Hope you enjoy your time. Before I start, I would like to make a brief introduction about TAMI. The full name of TAMI is Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry. TAMI was founded in 1945, and we have 2,900 members. You can say that TAMI is one of the most representative association for Taiwan machinery industry. In the other hand, also TAMI is an experienced organizer of international machinery exhibition, such as TIMTOS, Taipei Plus, and ShoeTech Taipei. So if you have any question about Taiwan machinery industry, please go for TAMI, we can answer it. The next step, I'm going to introduce Taiwan machinery industry. In 2019, even under the situation of economic recession, Taiwan machinery industry still have an output value of 1,062 billion dollars, with the export value of 763 billion dollars. That is almost 72% of export. Therefore, you can tell that Taiwan machinery industry is an export-oriented industry. In the next form, we'll show you that since 2015 till 2019, the export rate of Taiwan machinery industry falls steady around 70%. And this is the reason why we are using the export value instead of output value to represent the level of Taiwan machinery industry. As you might see, we did a good job here. And this one, I'm going to show you how important is ASEAN to Taiwan. Here we have the form of Taiwan trade statistic from 2020 to January to August. And you can see that ASEAN is the second largest trade partner for Taiwan, with a proportion of nearly 14%. And however, I would like to have your attention for a while. Please notice that China is the biggest trade partner for Taiwan, with a proportion that of 36, and that is almost triple than the rank 2. And this fact will connect to the topic we're going to discuss later. So let us just make a note here. And this one is the export and import value between Taiwan and Asia in 2019. Due to the economic recession, we have faced a little decline here, and we're facing the same situation in 2020. However, this is also means that we still have potential space for growth between Taiwan and Asia. So now we're going to enter the main topic for today, that is new strategy of collaboration between Taiwan and Asia. At the beginning, I will describe the reason and how this strategy is developed. We have separated the reason into two parts. The first part is market situation. Due to the China-United States trade war since 2018 and the COVID-19 that happened this year, we found we facing the issue of supply chain restructuring. And the second part is Taiwan here. We have a new policy called New Southbound Policy. And this policy is aimed to enhance cooperation and exchange between Taiwan and 18 countries in Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Australasia. Let's begin with the market situation. And as I mentioned in the last page, due to the China-United States trade war and the COVID-19, global enterprise realized they're facing the issue of supply chain restructuring, especially for Taiwan companies. I would like to remind you that we have shown the number. China is the biggest trade partner for Taiwan with high proportion. Therefore, Taiwan companies realize they have to do the risk spreading, that is supply chain management. And they have two ways to do this. The first one is to build a second supply base, and the second one is to find a new market. So here comes the question. Which area, where is the best for a Taiwan company to move in? Considering of the market scale, the distance from Taiwan, the culture, and the education level of local and history, here comes the answer. ASEAN. ASEAN is the number one for Taiwan companies. So since we've decided our target market, we can have these strategies to enter in the market, such as to build a plant in local, or to set a branch, or find a local agency, or make a long-term plan of provide training program or shorter one to collaborate with local company. However, these are for the town companies. The most important is for the ladies and gentlemen in front of me, that is the Asian customers. All this movement means you can have increasing contact from Taiwan companies. Also means you can have increasing opportunity of cooperation with Taiwan companies. And the most important is you can have more options for the service you want. As for this, I would like to emphasize that Taiwan machinery products provide three strengths. The first one is we have high quality. And the second one, we have good value, which is important. And the third one, we have reliability. All this market situation become a strong power to push the Taiwan company into the Asian market. And the policy is to try to make them better. So here comes the Taiwan New Southbound policy. This policy provides multiple subsidy and projects that help Taiwan companies have more ability and resource to enter in the Asian market to help them to provide better service. And this policy includes four tasks. That is, first one, promote economic collaboration, and the second, conduct talent exchange, third, share resources, and fourth, forge regional link. Each of all these four tasks, we've done some achievement, such as we have signed ECA with New Zealand and Singapore, and we have signed MOU with several local industry associations, such as TAMI. And we still have some other achievement here, and we've done some financial supervision to increase the financial reliability for both areas. And now we're going to introduce an important organization for Taiwan to contact the Asian people. That is TAITRA. The full name of TAITRA is Taiwan External Trade Development Council. TAITRA has established the Taiwan Machinery Buyer Alliance in different countries, and it is aimed to increase the information sharing between local buyers and Taiwan companies. And all the abroad office of TAITRA provide the advisory service of Taiwan market and companies. So if you're interested about Taiwan companies or interested about Taiwan market, no matter what kind of industry, you can choose TAITRA as your first step. And now, furthermore, we provide two consulting units for the Asian customers. The first one is TAMI. If you're interested about information for Taiwan machinery industry. And if you're interested for the information of coming to Taiwan or other industry, you may go for TAITRA. In the next one, I'm going to introduce TIMTOS. TIMTOS in 2019 is the world's third biggest professional exhibition. And in 2021, it will be held in March in Taipei. This is the best chance for you to understand or to contact with Taiwan machinery industry. However, due to the COVID-19, in case you are not able to come, we have prepared another suggestion that we will have an online exhibition called TIMTOS Hybrid at the same time. And it will be our pleasure if we can contact with you, no matter in Taiwan or in internet. So here's my presentation, and thank you for listening. Thank you.